Yes. Whew. Ah! 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 Show yourself! Oh! Oh! Ah.
It's not a good time.
Time Repairman, be advised, the man in the helmet may be using the services of a powerful alchemist.
Oh, you don't say.
Just secure the toxin inside the chest and try to avoid any interaction with him. Over and out.
Yeah, okay, well, he's already... Hey, I can't fight you. I don't want to fight you. Look, can we stop? I just need to find this little box. It's got a... Yeah, that box. I just need to keep it tight, make sure it's locked, or else a lot of bad things happen. Okay, fine. Oh. Shoo, get out of here. This is Time Repairman. The chest is secured.
Good. Then the ancient ancestors of the president are safe.
Hey, wait, wasn't your eye patch on the other side?
What? No, it's always been on this eye. Cut the nonsense. Just
Okay, wait,
clean up
one thing first, though. That alchemist, I kinda accidentally turned him into a chicken.
Well, it doesn't seem like it's had any impact on the future. Just pack up and head back here. Heil Hitler.
Okay, I think I might actually stay and fix that chicken. Hey, chicken, come back.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to come back next week for the epic conclusion of Time Repairman. In the meantime, you can check out tons of other content right here on the Fxated YouTube channel, or you could head over to our YouTube channel, Risen Visual, for more cool videos.